Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to write the lead of a news article, plus, I'll share the 4 common types of leads with simple examples. If you're into campus journalism or just starting to write news stories, this video is perfect for you. Part 1. What is a lead? So first, what is a lead? A lead is the first paragraph of a news article. It's the most important part of your story because it tells your readers what happened, quickly and clearly. It answers the main questions like who, what, when, where, why, and how. In short, it helps readers decide, do I want to keep reading? That's why your lead should be short, complete, and interesting. Part 2. Types of leads. Let's go through the 4 types of leads you can use in news writing. 1. Summary lead. This one is straight to the point. It's great for breaking news or when you need to report the most important facts first. Example: San Pedro High School won first place in the citywide science fair held last Friday, August 1st, at the City Hall Auditorium. This lead tells you what happened, who was involved, and when and where it happened, all in one sentence. 2. Descriptive lead. A descriptive lead uses imagery to help readers see the scene. It's perfect when you want to set the mood or highlight a powerful moment. Example: colorful banners waved in the wind as students from 12 schools marched around the plaza, marking the start of the annual youth parade. See? You can imagine the event without me saying there was a parade. Instead, I described it. By the way, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to write a full news article, check the pinned comment below. I dropped the link there. Make sure to watch that video too after this one. 3. Quotation lead. This type of lead starts with an actual quote from someone important in the story. It works well if the quote gives the main idea of the article. Example: "This victory belongs to all of us," said Coach Ramos after their team won the regional championship. Start with a quote only if it's powerful or meaningful enough to stand on its own. 4. Question lead. This one starts with a question to grab your reader's attention. It's best when you want your readers to think. Example: what makes a student leader truly great? That's the question many students tried to answer during the leadership forum last Monday. Just remember, don't ask questions that are too obvious or hard to answer. Part 3. Quick recap. So to recap: 1. Use a summary lead for quick facts. 2. A descriptive lead if you want to paint a picture. 3. A quotation lead if someone's words say it best. 4. A question lead to make readers curious. Choose the right one depending on your story. I hope that helped you understand how to write a great lead. Don't forget to check the comment section for the link to the full video on writing a news article. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more writing tips for student journalists like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.